Talk with?
Friends.
Talk with friends.
Or teacher.
Okay, so, and for example, during the teacher is teaching something, when the teacher is teaching something, do you talk with your friends?
Yes.
Yeah. Are you talkative girl or not talkative, quiet girl?
Quite how do you say talkative?
Talkative. Talkative, you talk all the time.
Talkative.
Talkative. Ah. You are not quiet. So
Very talkative.
very talkative. Ah. So who talk with most? Mostly who talk with whom?
Me?
With yourself.
Yes.
Okay, I think you have a kind of psychological problem. Maybe you can go to the doctor, psychological doctor, because you shouldn't talk with yourself. Okay, you should talk with your friends. All right.
Yes.
Okay, so I advise you, and this is my advice for you. But I don't tell this secret to your parents. Okay, this is our privacy. This is a private issue. Okay. No worries about that. No worries, okay? No worries about that. So I don't tell anybody, okay?
Okay.
All right, so very good. So I think sometimes, to be honest, I talk with myself. Sometimes, but not always.
I
Okay?
always talk me.
Yeah, I sometimes talk with myself, but just say like that. Okay, you're saying tomorrow we have something to do. Okay, so maybe I can ask some questions to myself. Why did you do that? Okay, why did you do that? Like that. Okay, so yeah, I think you are right. Sometimes we should talk with ourselves, right?
But can I speak a little Turkish?
Yeah, a bit Turkish.
Okay. How to say ben kendi kendime soruyorum ve cevaplıyorum.
I can I can say something to myself. I can ask some questions to myself, and then after that, I answer them.
Yes.
You ask questions to yourself, and then after that, you answer.
Yes.
Okay, very good. So I think that's easy one. So you don't disturb other people, right?
No.
Yeah, you don't disturb other people because you say something, and then after that, you answer it. Okay, that's okay. Problem. So I understand the reason behind that. In the lessons you don't ask any question, you ask to yourself silently. You ask
No.
you ask to yourself silently in the lesson, and then after that answer them silently.
No. No.
No.
Example of my dad. I have a question, my dad, but I how to say yanıtlamak?
Answer.
Answer me.
Replied, answer your questions. Okay, very good.
Or how do you say kılıktan kılığa girmek?
Oh my God. So you change. I don't know how to say in Turkey, in English. So maybe you imitate yourself. Okay. So you
Yes.
pretend to be other people. Okay, very good. So, okay, nice start. So sorry for the.
No problem.
Okay. All right. So
Sorry.
nowadays, look at the weather. It's like winter, right?
No.
I think it's a little colder nowadays. Yeah. yesterday I need to, I needed to, activate the heater, the gas heater in our home. So because of that, because of the weather, the cold weather outside. So I think you wear t-shirt, so that's okay for you, eh?
Yes.
Your home is hot.
No, but my mom said that too, but
Mhm.
I don't cold.
You
I
don't
am very
feel,
hot now.
you don't feel cold, you feel hot right now.
Yes.
Okay, so now let's start. I want to ask some questions. First of all, in the last lesson, we talked about the places in school. So now look at this, the parts of the school. Look at the pictures.
Okay.
So now we will find the correct school parts right now. Look at the
Okay.
first picture. Where are they?
Are they?
Yeah, where are they?
Mm.
They're eating something, maybe lunch. They are eating lunch. I don't know.
But no canteen
Very good.
here.
Canteen. Yeah, canteen is very good.
Canteen?
Yeah, very good. Canteen. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So second one, where are they?
Conference.
Very good. Conference hall, or we can call main hall. They gather there. Okay, they gather there.
Okay.
They meet there. All of the schools, all of the students in the school. Next one, please.
Okay. Eating room.
So it's a kind of classroom. Maybe you can say class. Next one, four.
Okay. IPT room.
Yeah,
IP no.
no.
PL room.
So which room is this? Please try to remember. P, physical education room, right? Physical education.
Yes.
So do you like physical education lessons?
No.
No. Oh my God. Okay.
No.
So physical education, or so this is a kind of sports hall. Next one, five.
Science room.
Very good. Science room, or it's called laboratory, right?
Yes.
Laboratory. So they are doing something. What are they doing? So they are trying to do something. Look at this. It's a kind of chemistry lesson.
Yes.
So last lesson we talked about it. So in Turkish it's called deney, but try to remember it.
Experience.
Experiment. Okay, experiment.
Okay.
Okay, so especially we use this word especially in the chemist lesson. Chemist
Okay.
lesson, or maybe we can use in the physics. Sorry.
No problem.
Okay, we can use for the physics lesson experiment. They are doing some kind of experiment in this picture. Next one, 6. You can, read a book and then
The library.
library, very good. Library. So in the library, you can borrow book, right? Borrow.
Yes.
You can borrow book. What is the opposite of borrow?
Borrow.
You borrow money from your friends if you don't have money. So you borrow. What is the opposite of it? You borrow money, you lend money. Okay, you lend money.
Okay.
So for example, I don't have money, so I go to the Duru. Duru, I don't have money. Please borrow me money. So you say that, okay, I will lend you a money, a fee, a little money for you, like that. This is the opposite
Okay.
one. Next one. Sorry. Okay, 7. Where are they? This is the outside of,
Garden.
huh? Garden. Yeah,
Garden.
garden, and also,
Outside
yeah,
sport room.
playing field in the school. For example, in the break time, you go outside, so they are called playing field. Next one,
IT room.
IT
In the
room. Very
IT
good.
room.
Yeah, IT room. And this is the, computer lessons they are called.
Yes.
Oops. Oh my gosh, where are they? Yep. So now this is a kind of a text. So now please look at the blanks in the text. So please try to answer these questions. On Tuesdays,
On Tuesdays, we got a long day. It starts in the
hmm,
sport hall
what is
or
that?
main hall.
Main
Main
hall,
hall.
very good. Main hall. Maybe in the main hall we sing a national song. It's called İstiklal Marşı, right? In the main hall,
Yes.
everybody together. Especially on which days we sang our national song?
Friday on Monday.
Very good. Friday on Monday. Friday in the last lesson, Monday in the first lesson. Okay. Then we go
Yes.
to the where for English class.
Classroom.
Very good, classroom. So do you have a special classroom for English classes?
Yes.
Oh, really? Very good. So at break time, I sometimes go where?
Go to the canteen.
But outside.
Outside.
Hmm.
Sport. No. Playing field.
Playing field, very good. Playing field is outside, sport hall is inside. After the break time, yeah, go on.
To play football with my friends. After the break, we go to study hall in the
Okay.
library.
In the
Library.
library, very good. Study hour. So, in last year, do you have a kind of study hour?
Yes.
Yeah, really. So, how many hours? 1 hour, 2 hours?
Uh,
One. No. One,
no.
two,
No.
three.
uh, no. 30 minutes, I think.
Ha, 30 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay. So you have I have lunch in the in where?
Canteen.
Canteen. The food is horrible. So the food is horrible. It means that good or bad?
Bed.
Yeah, the horrible. After lunch, we go in the where?
Sport hall.
Sports hall. Very good. In the afternoon,
We got an ICT lesson in the IT room.
in the IT room, the day finish with
Experiments in the
uh, where we do
science
experiments.
lab.
Very good, science lab. So we do experiments in the science lab, in the chemist lesson or in the physics lesson. So after that, he or she goes and relax. Okay,
Yes.
so okay. Okay, so now we will talk about a kind of school rules. So let me ask this question. Your school is strict. So your school strict means that there are lots of rules in your school or not so many rules.
Not so many rules.
What kind of rules do you have at school?
Uh, uh, doesn't do your homework
Very good.
in the classroom not running.
Don't run to the classroom. Don't run
Yes.
around in the classroom. Very good. Go on.
Uh,
Okay, I
don't.
think you don't have too many rules. That's very good
Yes.
school. Okay, I want to study there, huh? So you do homework. So how about your uniforms? Do you wear uniform?
Yes.
Okay, so you have to wear uniform, right?
Yes.
Okay, now look at this school. So this school is, let's decide the school is strict or not. Yes, look at Alias. Alias, well, yes or no. At the break time, we can or can't decide where to go.
Can't.
We can't decide where to go. Okay, we can or stay. We can or can't stay in the classroom or go outside in the playing field.
Can't.
We can, but we go out to shops.
Can't.
Very good, can't. Go out to shops, right? In the school,
Yes.
you are not allowed to go outside. And of course, we can't go home.
Can't.
We can't go home, right? Very good. Okay. Carl, let's look at this, Carl. Yes, the teachers are very strict. Strict means that you have very strong rules. For example, some of your teachers maybe have very strict. Okay, Duru, why don't you do your homework? Okay, like that. So, is there any teacher in your school, Duru?
No.
No. Ah. Okay. Do I assign you too many homeworks as an English teacher? I'm your English teacher. Huh?
No.
No. Okay. So, all right. So, next lesson, I will give you a ton of homework.
No.
Right? So, got it. Got it. Okay. So, you said
No.
I'm not strict. Okay. You say, since teacher doesn't give you too many homeworks, that's okay. So tomorrow
No.
we will see, all right? So, by the way, that's okay. I got my message, all right? So, Carly is very strict, and then we can or can't talk in the class, Or can you talk in the class?
Yes.
Oh my God. Yeah, also, but I'm just asking you about, from the perspective of Carl. Carl can or can't talk in the class.
Can't.
Can't. So we ask questions.
Can.
We
Can.
can, okay? We can ask questions. We can or can't listen to the teacher and copy from the board. That's all.
Can.
We can, okay? We can listen to teacher and copy from board. Jane, not really. No, we use laptops in class.
We can't.
We can go onto the internet and look for information, but we go on social. We can't social networking sites, of course. So we
can
okay, we can work in groups in class. I like that. All right. So Duru, please tell me which school is strict? Alice, Carl, and Jane's schools.
Alice school.
Alice school, yeah. So okay, now okay, let's check our answers. So at the break time in the Alice school, you cannot decide where to go because this is the strict school. And next one, we can ask questions. I think we can ask questions. That's true. Why does it say can? Okay, we cannot ask questions. Huh. So look at the Carl. So in the Carl class, they cannot ask questions, but they can listen to teacher and copy from the board. Huh. So it's very different school. Okay, Duru. So very good. Who do you know Hussein Bolt? So it's called Hussein Bolt, by the way.
No.
Usain Bolt is the best runner in the world, and then he's the winner of 100 meters marathon. So now look at this exercise. We have 5 questions, and then we will write can or can't in these brackets. Okay, and look at the first one.
Okay.
Usain Bolt
Usain Bolt can use
can run, but
but he
cannot run a marathon. Marathon is a long, way, a long distance for a runner. Okay, but 100 meters is very short distance. Okay. Next one. In many states of the United States, you a car when you are 16.
can't drive.
But if you are 16 in United States, you can drive a car because in Turkey you can drive a car when
18 years old.
very good, very good. When you are 18 years old you can drive, but in United States when you are 16 years old you can drive a car. But in United States,
Nice.
yeah, very good. So how old are you? I think you are 10 years old, right?
No, 11.
11. Okay, sorry. So after 7 years, you are okay. Is there any plan for you to drive a car when you?
No.
No, why? Are you
No.
are you afraid of driving a car? Huh?
Yes.
Why? Do you have kind of accidents?
How to say accident?
Accident. Okay, no problem. Maybe you are afraid of driving a car because
Yeah.
I think that I'm sure that you will deal with this fear in the future. So after that, maybe you can drive a car.
But how to say 18 yaşına gelince tekne kullanmayı istiyorum.
Oh, so you will have enough money to buy a sheep. So after that, you are planning to drive a sheep. Ooh, you are planning to sail a sheep. That's okay. That's okay. So yeah, actually, you are right. Some people, Duru, drive a train, but they cannot drive a car.
Yes.
Yeah, and then some people drive a bus, a large bus. It's very difficult actually, right? Driving a
Yes.
bus, but they cannot drive a car. Hmm?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So you are planning to drive a ship when you are 18 years old.
Yes. But no ship. Boats.
Small boats.
Or
Okay.
surf.
Maybe maybe you have a kind of being a captain. Ship captain.
No.
Driving small boats. That's it.
Yeah.
Okay. So next one, the red kangaroo is an amazing animal. It
Can jump.
it can
Jump.
travel. Okay,
Travel.
travel. Yeah, travel. It can travel 40. I don't know how can I say, and then it's a distance of 12.
Can't jump.
No, it can jump actually a distance of 12 meters. You know kangaroo?
Yes.
Okay, so we blah blah our mobile phones to school, but we them in class. Huh?
We can't take our
But-
mobile phones to school, but we can't use them in class.
Okay, this one is true, but please look at this one.
We can our mobile
We
phone
can, very good. We can you take our mobile
take.
phones to school. So after that, we give our mobile phones to the teacher or the principal, vice principal. So after that, but we cannot use them in the class. Okay, flying fish. This is most probably this is a kind of flying fish
Fish
out of water.
jump.
Very
Fly
good.
fish can fly out of the water and can fly.
Can't, yeah, they can fly for about 50 meters and very good flying fish. So have you ever seen such a kind of flying fish?
No.
No, I haven't seen such a kind of fish. All right, so this is the, we talk about the nouns and verbs. And now please circle the correct word there. And this is the first one is an example for you. I like swimming. It's good exercise or exercising. So it says that exercise because it should be a noun. I go to training or train on Wednesday. What do you think? Duru, can you hear me? Oh my God, Duru. I think we misconnect. Talking about the, sorry, where is the exercise? Okay. So these are the exercise. So please look at the second one. I go training or train on Wednesday. What do you think?
I don't see teacher.
Sorry.
No problem.
Okay, works. Yeah.
Sorry. Exercise.
Very good. Exercise. Next one.
Train on Wednesday.
Very good. Okay, go on.
We have football practice tomorrow.
Practice. Okay, go on.
Teacher, I go to training on Wednesday, I think.
I go to training on Wednesday. Very good. Go on.
Be careful here, please. No running.
Okay.
When my studies are over, I want to get a job.
Okay, let's check. Ready? Very good. Practice, training. Very good. Next one. Sorry. So now look, this is the kind of crossword. So the first one is done actually. It's a kind of French lesson. So in this subject, you sing and play instrument. Which class is this?
Music room.
Yeah, music class. So let's look at the second one. This is about important events in the past. In the past. For example, yeah.
History.
Very good, history. And next one, third one. Okay, you learn about computers in the subject.
ICT.
Very good, ICT. And next one, music, you said. Very good. 5.
Yes.
You learn about physics, chemistry, and biology in this subject.
Natural science or social science? Social science.
And then look at the 5 part. This one.
Social science.
Science, yes, science is true. Very good.
Okay.
Science. So physics, chemistry, and biology. Okay, next one, 6. And you practice this subject in this book.
Enrichment. No. English.
English, very good. In this book, huh? Okay, so 7, the subject is about numbers.
Mathematics.
Math, very good. Okay, so you learn about countries and physical world in this subject. Countries, physical world.
Natural geography. No.
National Geography, yeah, it's a kind of channel on television. Come on.
No. Natural science.
So look at the 8th part, and then the first letter is G.
Geography.
Geography, come on, geography. Geography, continents, remember?
Yes.
How many continents do we have?
7.
Yeah, very good. What are they?
America, Africa, Australia.
3.
Antarctica. Australia. North America, South America.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Mostly you said all of them. Okay, very good. So next one, last one. You do this in the sports hall or in the playing
PE.
field. PE, physical education. Very good. So I think that's, I can assign you as an homework. Oh. So now, Duru, look at this, smiley
Okay.
emojis, okay?
Yes.
And I think, look at these emojis. So please tell me in the, smiley.
Wow.
Very good. Love. Like.
Hate.
I think hate. Okay.
No, I think don't like.
Oh, sorry, don't like. Huh? Okay.
Yes. And don't mind
Mine.
and hate.
Ready?
No.
Oh my God. So yeah, you have to change. Don't mind, you are not positive, not negative, in the middle of it, okay?
Okay.
So for example, Duru, do you like playing chess? I don't mind, okay? You don't hate, you don't like, both of them, okay? You don't
Okay.
mind playing chess. By the way, do you play chess? Do you know how to play chess?
Hate.
Hey, oh my God. I think you should play because it develops your mind, your thinking.
Yeah.
It's a kind of strategical game, strategic game actually. So now, Duru, in the next lesson, we will talk about some emojis, okay?
Okay.
So now look at I want to show you something. And there are lots of emojis on Instagram, as much as I know. So let's look at these emojis all together. Okay, sorry. Oops. Where are my emojis? Oops. Yeah, there it is. It's coming. And these are the emojis, huh? Lots of emojis. So, Duru, do you use emojis on Instagram?
Yes.
Or WhatsApp?
Very much.
Yeah, very much. Nowadays, Actually, I am using these emojis. They tell everything actually. Put one of them, okay? So it tells everything. Let's look at the first one, for example, this one. Oops.
Oh, what angry?
Very good, angry. And this one,
Happy.
happy. Very good. So, and mm, yes, this one,
Sleepy.
very good, sleepy. And this one,
Loudy?
yeah, loudy. Maybe talkative, huh?
Yes.
Okay, so, let me, put it this way. So, okay. Huh. Okay, this one,
I
huh?
don't know.
Killed,
Cute?
huh? Killed. And this man is killed or
Yeah.
dead, huh? Dead.
Yes.
All right, so this one,
I don't
remember, I think
remember.
L,
Uh,
L, Alien,
Alien.
Alien, yeah,
Alien.
Alien, yeah. Okay, all right. So I think I don't want to talk about this one. Okay.
Yes.
So let's skip this part. So I just want to, make it okay. Disgusting, yeah, picture.
Yes.
All right. So this one,
Which one?
this.
See?
Yeah, very good. Sick or ill, right?
Yes.
Sick or ill. Maybe or fever. Hmm?
Yes.
Yeah, fever. And I think you are familiar with this picture, huh? Wearing mask.
Yes.
Okay, what kind of disease this guy has? What do you think? Huh?
Corona?
Coronavirus, yeah. COVID-19.
Yes.
All right, so next one, this one. I think this guy is, this guy loves something very much. What is that?
Pay.
Yeah. Actually, money is this guy's problem. Yeah, they want
Yes.
money. So that's it. And then this one, what do you think? This is this guy?
Sad.
Sad. Yeah, not happy. Sad. And this guy, this one.
Coldy?
Yes.
Oscar.
Yeah,
Yeah.
cold. And then he or she feels cold, right? Feel cold.
Yes.
Okay, very good. So, and which one do you use most? Smiley face or maybe blinking eye, one of the eyes, huh? This one.
Heart.
So, yeah, generally, I think we use these things. Maybe
Or
you make jokes,
cat.
huh? Cats,
Or
huh? You
cat.
use the cats. Yeah. Generally, teenagers use this kind of cats mostly. Yeah,
Yes.
that's very good. So now that's okay. And then I think you like these emojis.
Yes.
So, and then now we will talk about in detail in the next lesson.
Okay.
So I want to show it to you. What is this guy doing? Shh.
Quiet.
Be quiet, like. So what kind of
Yeah.
job is this? I think there are some jobs are doing, shh, in hospitals. What is this job? In the hospital, maybe when you go to hospital, there are some pictures
Yes.
says be quiet. And then who is this guy? What is the job of this guy?
Uh, I don't remember.
Nurse, I think nurse. Okay,
Yeah.
so mostly you don't remember these pictures. Okay, so Duru, thank you for your participation, and I hope you enjoyed the lesson.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. See you
Goodbye.
tomorrow, most probably. I will assign you lots of homework, so
No.
you will see am I strict or not. Okay, see you next day. All
See
right.
you. Goodbye.
Bye.